In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. A milestone, in the context of project management with Monday.com, is a significant point or event that you mark within your project timeline. It's different from tasks or activities, as milestones represent key dates or deadlines that indicate important progress points in your project. In Monday.com, these milestones are beautifully showcased by a diamond icon when you're viewing your project in timeline or Gantt chart formats, allowing you to quickly and easily see these important markers. Let's dive into the process of setting these up. First, before you start, ensure you have a board with either a date or a timeline column. If you have both, that's even better. But the timeline column is especially useful for visualization purposes, giving you a clear picture of your project's timeline. Once your board is ready, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the specific item or row for which you plan to assign a milestone. Within this item, interact with the date or timeline field. This is where you typically configure start and end dates for tasks. Now, if you find that the Set as Milestone option isn't directly available in your version of Monday.com, there's an easy workaround. What you'll do is set the start and end dates within the timeline picker to the same date. By doing this, the system recognizes that this specific date has significant importance and automatically turns it into a milestone visually. So, in your Gantt or timeline views, this date will be marked distinctively as a diamond icon, helping you and your team easily recognize its importance. But if you're fortunate enough to have a version of Monday.com that supports a more direct approach, here's what you'll do. When you're in the timeline column settings, or if you're interacting with the date picker pop-up, you should see an option to Set as Milestone. This could be a checkbox or an action you can select. Simply go ahead and check it, or select the action, and voila! Your item is now marked as a milestone. Finally, let's look at how you can visualize this milestone effectively. After you've set an item as a milestone by either method, it's time to view it within your board in the timeline or Gantt chart view. This way, the milestone will prominently appear as a diamond symbol, allowing you and your team to clearly see and focus on this key point in your project schedule. This visualization feature truly helps in distinguishing important milestones from regular tasks, contributing to a well-organized and efficiently managed project layout. And there you have it. Adding and visualizing milestones in Monday.com is straightforward and greatly enhances your project management capabilities. So go ahead and try it on your projects to ensure that all critical points in your time frame are easily identifiable and stress-free to manage.